whatever we want. Bags packed up, hauling whatever we want. Showing up late, cause it's whenever we want. Stepping on your turf, taking whatever we want. Jeans with the tuck, rocking whatever we want. Bags packed up, hauling whatever we want. Showing up late, cause it's whenever we want. Stepping on your turf, taking whatever we want.
100 gravel rocks.
Come on. Trash. Oh, what a freaking good day out here. Oh my gosh, dude. This is crazy, man. Aren't we happy to see you guys? Are we? Oh, but hey, 100 subscribers, man. What's up?
105.
105. We're basically like really famous. Basically like the biggest YouTubers out here, so.
Especially out here. We're the only people in 105 miles besides these guys. Dinger.
Dinger. Let me get one first try. Let me grab a few in case it's not first though.
Okay, let's see it.
Dinger. Ah. Oh, dinger.
Dinger.
That's it for today. We're done. That's the whole video. Click off. How was zoomed in?
Yeah.
I can see it. Airboat.
Oh yeah, the tip was so far out.
Sticking freaking
right in your face.
3 inches out. That's about the size of
Money
me.
shot all over it.
All over.
Man, we're done. Dope. Dope. Amazing.
I've discovered something amazing. If you try and ride something like this, get pulled behind like a truck.
You can stick that pole up your ass and try to ride on it. That's
like
the nicest hand cart I've ever. Yeah, dude.
Find a dick, sit and spin. Yeah, we have the nicest equipment here.
That's nice. Screw you, Adam Johnson.
Hey Adam, screw you. We're waiting for that rental fee.
Adam, you suck. You suck. Not you, baby.
Oh yeah, baby. You like when daddy rides you hard, huh?
You like when daddy rides you dirty.
Oh yeah.
Sunshine on my shoulders makes me happy. Sunshine in my eyes can make me cry. Sunshine.
I can't breathe, dude. I'm like trying to take in. Wow, we're awesome. This is sick.
We've discovered something amazing. Where we did our last one. Took some chunks out. Big old piece of sod. Laundry day. Time to do laundry.
I'm 22 years old and still do laundry at my parents'. Get at me, man.
Wow, this thing's looking money. Film tips by Trevor Bingham.
Already trying to bust us and we've been here for 5 minutes. What the heck, man? Look at this girl, dude.
One time, hey, this is good for the entire year.
Oh yeah, one time. What a tool.
She starts up.
It's alive.
It's alive and well. It survived the winter. Looks to see another season. Whoa, Johnson. Prankster. We got the mom and the pops. We got my whole family out here today, including Trevor. He's one of my brothers here, adopted brother, stepbrother, real brother. The whole family here.
We're about to watch Taylor dock this boat. We'll see how it goes.
my first time.
Let's see how this goes. Maybe we could catch mom accidentally falling in or something. That'd be bad, huh? She comes right up in here, goes to make a step and just tanks her right in the pond. The one time she comes out, that would happen to her. That'd be her luck for sure. Don't fall in, Mom! You're on camera. Be careful. Push him in. All right, here we go. Nicely done. The natural.
Hey, be kind to my baby, Mom. You're not getting any other grandkids.
Good job, Mom.
Is that taters?
But that side I never.
I thought it would have at least grown out halfway, because that looks pink down there.
I lost my nail, and then like my skin was like, oh, there's no nail. Grew back, and now it just hits the end. It thinks like that's the end. I don't
2
know.
o'clock.
Weird.
You don't like it though? You want to get it replaced?
like
Gosh,
100
like an Oompa Loompa over here. So, when you go out wakeboarding and stuff this early, the water temp right now is 43. The ice was on here about 2 weeks ago. We're probably the first actual wake boat on the water, but to do that, we got these dry suits. Put these suction things on, and then you don't get wet at all. So you wear like sweats or thongs or anything you want like that. Hi, Mom.
You don't want?
Anyway, so then that at least helps. It's still way cold, but at least helps.
Do you get the back zipped up?
An inch
yeah.
open, right?
Yep. You want to leave that open to keep the air going.
Dude, some people probably believe that. Like, oh, really? Dude, you drown. If that happened, everyone knows you drown. Water dive in and you just sink to the bottom. It's gonna be so cold.
It's gonna be a good day.
This is what we strive for all summer long. We put in the work, we put in the drive, we have the motivation, and then this is what it all pays out for. We come out here March 1st, April 20th, whatever it is, come out here and slay nation, you know.
Still dark when Mark arrived, maybe 6:45 in the morning time. In the 10th grade, we was tight friends, but neither of us had a driver's license. His aunt was a flight attendant, and she'd leave town with a Cadillac unattended. So we used to get tempted, that intense tendency to tend to what we wasn't meant to. We would skip out on class and shit to go visit.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Dude, I'm so out of shape. I'm dead out there. Those backies felt so good though.
Yeah, they look. Face is red. Cold.
Mine is?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm freezing. Just happy to be out here, you know?
Remember this baggy.
You look like a gangster. The boss is up. What's up, Chief? Chief in the house.
I wonder if this really does.
And forgot what it feels like to be really hot.
The beanie. Looking good.
Oh, those are warm too. 100% waterproof right here.
No water's getting in there.
100%.
You gonna teach us how to do something out there?
You gotta do something, whether you want to follow it or not, that's up to you.
You can give them the information and the teachings to do stuff, but you can't give them the willpower. That's one thing they gotta find on their own.
That's one thing that just comes with experience and perseverance. The heck happened?
Wake up, wake up, I don't wanna wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, I don't wanna wake up, wake up. Yeah, I'm straight, never switch lanes. On my job every day, cause it's hard not to see. I came up in a big way, and I hardly ever sleep, but it's like a dream. I don't wanna wake up from, don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up from, I don't wanna wake up from, don't wanna wake up from.
Long days, but I know hard work pays, so the money getting long too. And the kush smells strong too. That's that good, and the chick with me, she the bomb too. One thing I know.
Come on, Bingham! Man down! How is it? Cold?
So cold.
So cold.
Under my umbrella, ella, ella, under my umbrella, ella, ella, under my umbrella.
Right.
Well, we're back from Bowen. Going to get my wallet. Going to our friend named Cole. We're going to his house for, is it his birthday or is it just a party?
I don't know if it's his birthday or not.
Connor's been telling everybody it's his birthday, but I don't think it is. I think it's just a party. But yeah, we're getting my wallet back here at the shop.
And we're gonna win some championships in cornhole.
There we go, play some cornhole, win some championship. Maybe not.